I'm going to do this in small parts to save time. First thing, you would launch Visual Studio. Then you can go to create a new project. I'm going to call this one a calendar of events or calendar of events. But one thing that you would have to do, for this project, this particular project, you select C sharp. It's going to be Windows. It will be desktop, and you look for Windows Forms. This one right here, Windows Forms apps. There are other versions, but this is the one that I'm using. And then you load that. I'll call it calendar of events. And I'll just select create. And like I said, I'm going to go and I'll do this in steps. It'll take a lot longer if I do the whole video as the whole thing goes, but I'm going to make sure that it goes without any errors. Okay, Windows form project has been created. One thing that has to be done before copying the CS code into the project, I have to add the Windows Media Player. Now, on your project, if you've never used this before, it's probably not loaded. You have to right click where it says General, choose Items, go to COM Components, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the Windows Media Player. You have to select it and then press OK. Since I've already selected it, I can just close this. It's already there. After it installs, then you grab the Windows Media Player and you drag it onto the Windows form. And now you can say View Code. So go to Calendar of Events and go over to this is the Solutions Explorer. And if you don't see it, then you can go here and say View Solutions Explorer. It will come up, and then you right click on Form CS, and you say View Code. Then you right click on Form 1 Designer CS. And you say View Code. It will open both of the programs right here. Okay, I've moved the Form 1 CS and Designer form down here. One important part of this is I've named the project a different name. This time it's called Calendar of Events. So I'm going to copy this. This is very important to do if you've changed the name. So I'll do that, and I'll go to open the form1.cs. I just do edit. And this is where I'll place that. I'll paste it here. I'm just doing a paste like that. And I'll say save. I could do the same thing with Form 1 Designer, where it says Calendar 3. I paste that and I select save. Now what I can do with both of these is this one is I'll go to Form 1, and I'm going to grab everything in here. All I have to do is select all, and I'll say copy, and this is Form 1. Control, I hold Control and press A, and I can hold Control and press V, and that's paste. And it pastes everything in there, and that's how many lines are in it. I'll go ahead and open the Form Designer now, and I'll do the same thing with it. And again, I can say select all. It's got everything on here, and I can say copy. And I'll go over here, and again, I'll do I'll hold Control, and I'll press A. And then I'll hold Control, and I'll press V. And that pastes all the code in there. Now I can save. And if I go here to this Form 1 CS, you'll see it will load the program. It should work. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I have to open this folder where this folder is. So I'll right click where it said Form CS, open containing folder. And I have to create a folder inside of here, inside the debug section. And it's right here inside the net, the 8.0 Windows. If you do not do this, you will not be able to debug because the folder that's going to store the INI folders will be right here. I just created a folder and called it INI. After I do, actually, I could just do that right now. I could go in here, copy this folder, and paste it right here. Since I haven't run anything, at all. I'd say paste, and I'll call this one release, RE, that, and it should have everything in here because it's going to have the INI folder as well. At the moment, there's nothing in here, but now it's set up to where I can run this in debug mode or in release mode. And that's how you would test this program.